In case you missed it, this work from home job is still available. You don't need any related work experience. You'll start September 3rd, 2024, and you'll make $20 to $21 per hour. This lead comes to us from Imagine 360. And the job I'm talking about is a navigation support coordinator. This is a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States, and they'll pay $20 to $21 per hour. This job starts September 3rd, 2024, and they'll train you from 7 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday for 4 to 6 weeks. And because it is a 100% remote position, you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. So in this position, you'll be responsible for researching all requests that could not achieve first call resolution and require further research and outreach. This work is inclusive of provider research, utilizing internal and external technologies, negotiating with out-of-network providers, and other required tasks to coordinate medical services for members. So what all that means is you'll coordinate with the navigation team to research provider accessibility and appointments for members. You'll contact multiple provider offices and work with their staff to ensure plan acceptance and available access to scheduling care. You'll also coordinate related internal and external logistics, such as retrieval of medical records, email communication, miscellaneous administration functions, and tracking. Using Imagine 360's proprietary software, you'll accurately track and document applicable actions taken, provide critical related data reporting as needed, interact and build relationships with clinicians and service providers while leveraging the proprietary technology to streamline and simplify healthcare complexities, and participate in special projects and developmental opportunities. And you do all that while exercising good business judgment, following outline call procedures, and meeting competitive outbound production goals. All you need is a high school diploma or a GED, and they tell us some college is welcome. And they'd like you to have prior call center experience, preferably in an outbound production environment. So even if you've never worked a call center before, if you ever had a job where you dealt with the public in any capacity, that qualifies as customer service, customer experience. So make sure to put that on your resume. They list some preferred qualifications, and these are just preferred, they're not required. So they prefer you have exposure to medical benefits. They prefer you have experience with inbound and outbound calling. They prefer you have prior experience in collections, customer service, provider services, or sales calls. They prefer you have experience meeting weekly, monthly, and annual call count, production, and quality goals, and they prefer you have experience strategizing and researching best practices for outbound calls. And again, all of those are just preferred, they're not required, but if you meet any of those preferences, you'll definitely stand out. And when it comes to this exposure to medical benefits, I'm sure you can do a quick internet search. You might even be able to find a YouTube channel where you can learn a little bit about medical benefits. You need to be a problem solver, and you're able to investigate issues. You're proficient in Microsoft Outlook, Word, and Excel. You have strong verbal and written communication skills. You're highly organized. You're able to manage your time wisely. You're trustworthy and accountable. And you're willing to routinely and reliably come to work on schedule and adjust your shift and schedule based on the needs of the company. So in addition to earning $20 to $21 per hour, they offer a nice suite of benefits, including a lot of time off and tuition reimbursement. So hopefully this job works out for you. If so, you can find the direct link in the description below this video. But if you're looking for something else, check out this video right here. Maybe one of those jobs will work for you. Good luck to all of you who apply. And as always, thank you so much for visiting, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.